So you've finished making your hand-tied posy. The next thing you need to think about is what vase you're going to display your flowers in. It's quite likely you're going to have to recut your stems again to get it to fit the vase you've chosen. I've got a lovely vase here. It's one of my favourites. It came from a charity shop and it's a classic urn shape here. But when I put my flowers inside, I don't like the way that they stand proud of the rim, so I'm going to have to cut them a little bit shorter. Originally I cut them to about 2 hands length long, so I do need to trim them down a little bit more. I'm going to use my secateurs because I have got some woody stems. So I'll try that again for size. So I think that's just a fraction too long again. I don't really want to be seeing these stems here, so I think just another centimetre or so and that should do it. There, that's much better. It just seems to fit seamlessly into the vase. You've got a continuation of the vase and then straight to the flower heads, and you're not being distracted by the stems. There is one other thing I'm going to do. I'm going to loosen the tie a little bit. My flowers won't fall apart, but I just feel they need to relax a tiny bit more, just so they fill up the space inside the vase. So I can get rid of that wrapping, and you can see the stems all stay spiraled up. When I put them into the vase, they just relax a tiny bit. And as my flowers, the roses in particular, open, they'll really start to fill out those spaces. And I think you'll agree that looks much better. The flowers look much more at home. They don't look so constrained, but still keeping that rounded profile of the hand-tied. Now, of course, if I wanted to go for an even smaller jar, a shorter jar, you can imagine how short I'd need to cut my flowers. They'd only be about 10 to 15 centimetres long. So I hope you have fun deciding which vase to display your flowers in. And don't forget to tag me into your photographs and let me know how you're getting on with your flower arranging. I'd love to hear from you.